In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add automatic serial numbers to a Notion database so you never have to manually count or number rows again. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, whether you're managing tasks, tracking projects, or organizing any kind of list in Notion. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the database where you want to add serial numbers, usually in a table view. Once you're there, look for the small plus icon at the top of your columns, which lets you add a new property. Next, click on that option and choose the property type called ID. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it. You'll see several options that help you customize how your database works, and the ID property is designed specifically to generate automatic serial numbers. Once you've completed these steps, Notion will instantly start numbering every row in your database, beginning from 1 and continuing upward. Every time you add a new item, it automatically gets the next number in the sequence, saving you time and preventing mistakes. After that, you can click on the ID property settings to add a prefix if you want, like task or item, which makes your serial numbers clearer and more meaningful. You can even drag the serial number column to the far left so it's the first thing you see in each row. After that, you should be able to manage, sort, and reference your database entries smoothly without any interruptions or manual updates. Your serial numbers will always stay accurate, even as your database grows. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add automatic serial numbers to your Notion database easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?